Welcome to your daily dose of sustainability. The Paris Agreement, signed by 196 nations, commits to limiting global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius, preferably 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. Today, the U.S. has announced its exit, joining only Iran, Libya, and Yemen outside this crucial climate pact. President Trump has also declared a national energy emergency, halting offshore wind projects and ramping up fossil fuel development across the nation. In Barcelona, authorities suspended a port company for environmental violations, while Standard chartered projects record-breaking sustainability income of $1 billion for 2025. That's all for today. Tune in tomorrow for more daily news.